Abdus Salam won the Nobel Prize in Physics, and despite reaching the pinnacle of scientific achievement, he never forgot his roots. He wanted to pay tribute to his former mathematics professor, Anilendra Ganguly, who had migrated to India after the partition. He even requested the Indian government to help locate him. After 2 years upon meeting, he placed the Nobel medal around Ganguly's neck and humbly said, "This is your prize, sir, not mine." He founded the International Center for Theoretical Physics in Italy. The institute aimed to bridge the gap for scientists from developing countries, providing opportunities for Pakistani students to study and collaborate internationally. It is said that during his final years, at a conference in Italy, a young Pakistani professor approached him on the panel, and upon learning she was from Pakistan, he was overcome with emotion and broke down in tears. These acts show that despite his scientific achievements, he never lost his love for his homeland, always honoring his teachers and the values that shaped his journey. His legacy lives on through his groundbreaking work, proving that knowledge knows no borders and genius transcends prejudice.